Hello, I'm here with Novaspect at the Team M3 conference, and this is Boundy Lovan. He's an account manager with our Reliability Solutions group, and he's going to show us about our asset monitoring that's here to demo. Boundy?
Yes, well, thank you, Nate. All right, what we got here is what we call the asset monitor, and this is our online monitoring system for vibration. So the main purpose of all the equipment that we represent is around predictive technologies, or around specifically using vibration. And so the asset monitor, whereas it's different from the wireless, is this is a wired system where we will wire it to the equipment. It has 12 slots in here that allows us to monitor 12 different pieces of equipment, and then that information then comes onto what we call here our dashboard, and that has all the information on here that has the spectrum, that has the health of that piece of equipment that we're particularly monitoring. And what it does is that it gives the tools to the maintenance personnel, the maintenance manager. They'll see that, we see that there's a shift in some type of vibration, some type of failure, and then that allows them to make some predictive judgments to shut down the equipment before it fails unplanned. So the key thing is be in control, know what's coming, and planning your own shutdown is as opposed to being unplanned. So that's what this technology allows us to do.
Cool. So, and you have different, this is wired, and what are these?
Yeah. So
Okay.
This is the wired version, and this is the wireless version. The big difference is the wired version allows you to do a couple more levels of safety, whereas the wireless doesn't. So we don't recommend when you do wireless that it shuts down the equipment because it's wireless and it's not continuously monitoring. Whereas wired, it's continuously monitoring, and then it allows you to have a higher level of confidence to shut down the equipment if it's at some type of unsafe condition. So that's the big difference between the two. Both still monitor the same spectrum, the same vibration spectrum that they call the peak view technology that Emerson has on it. So yes.
So if I wanted to start out at my plant, would I monitor everything, or is there a strategy you recommend?
Yeah, the strategy, because cost is always prominent. What you want to do is you want to pick your critical pieces of equipment first, that if that goes down, the plant goes down, or this goes down, there might be some safety issues that's involved. So I would recommend going with your most critical assets first, and then work your way down to monitor them. So that's, yeah, and that's what this will allow us to do.
And what sort of improvement should a plant expect to see if they implement something like this?
Yeah, the biggest cost in any plant is an unplanned outage, an unplanned stress. So the one that you feel the most pain is probably Christmas Eve at 2 a.m. and that thing goes down. So what you're trying to prevent is that. Okay. So anytime you can plan that, you can reduce your cost by 10, 20-fold, and that's what it does for you. So it lets you know that it's coming, you can plan for it, prepare for it, and then on your own time you can shut it down and fix it properly. That's the benefit of this technology. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Boundy. Appreciate your time.
Yes.
Enjoy the rest of your show.
Thank you.